Welcome back. This is Teresa Adams from the Community College of Denver, and this is my last video on simplifying trig functions, so we can get ourselves prepared to be able to prove the identities in the trig functions. So, as we take a look at example A, they ask us to factor and simplify. And as I tell my students, if it looks like a quadratic, it acts like a quadratic, it is a quadratic. And that's what this is. As I look at the numerator, it looks like it's a quadratic because I have something squared and then I have some other term in the middle that's not squared and then I have some constant all by itself. And the same thing with the denominator. So what I have is I actually have two quadratics. So the numerator is going to factor into 3 the sine of sigma plus 1, and then sine sigma plus 1. Then if I stop myself and I think, hey, if I multiply this back together and simplify, if I distribute this through, will I get 3 sine squared sigma plus 4 sine sigma plus 1? And the answer is yes. And if you're not sure, go ahead and check yourself. So the denominator is a perfect square trinomial. It's something squared plus 2 times that something plus 1. So this is going to factor into the sine of sigma plus 1 quantity squared, which means that this sine sigma plus 1 will cancel with one of these, and I am left with 3 the sine sigma plus 1, and then the sine of sigma plus 1. You think, yay, I get to cancel some more, and the answer is no. And I remind my students one more time that as I take a look at this, the reason I don't get to cancel anymore is because this whole thing is a factor. This whole thing is a factor. Individually, this is a term. This is a term. You cannot factor. You cannot cancel factors. You can only cancel terms. So unfortunately, as good as it gets, it's going to be as an answer. All this is going to come into is 3 the sine sigma plus 1 over the sine sigma plus 1. And that's as good as it's going to simplify to. So I'm going to let you guys do I'll give you guys the answer. And hopefully you guys have got 1 plus the secant theta. Thanks for watching.